A few people wrote me to ask about turning in the Mexican wave. Poi, same time opposites, inwards or outwards, above the head, alternating which one's in front and which one's behind. Facing you, it's inwards, facing away, it's outwards. If I go to the halfway point, my right's backward, my left is forwards, and I'm facing that way. I could look at you, do my inwards Mexican wave. I could look away and do my outwards Mexican wave. And I could also launch that from facing this way, where it's my right forward and my left backward. I really want to think of that as a range of motion, from the hips to the sides, down the sides. That will take you all the way eventually to poi flowers. The other theme is the rhythm of how many circles to do as you turn. A lot of people get stuck on only counting the bottom of the circles. But if I do that, watch this. One circle, boom. One beat, one beat, one beat. If you watch, you'll notice I'm only doing half a circle on the far side and a circle and a half facing the camera. Totally not symmetrical. Once I count the top of the circles, I realize, oh, on this side of my body, it's going top, bottom, top. It's 2 ups and 1 down on this side. To make it symmetrical, I need to make it 2 bottoms and 1 top on the other side. That can make sense if we think of it this way. It's a bottom there and a top there. Half a circle on each side. Bottom half of the circle, top half of the circle. To make it symmetrical, I need to add a full extra loop. Up on this side, down on that side. Up on this side, down on that side. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. 2 ups and 1 down on this side, 2 downs and 1 up on that side. That's where the pattern is symmetrical. That's what the poi are doing when I'm turning like this, or Mexican wave. One of them is doing top, bottom, top, while the other is doing bottom, top, bottom. Brain. That might not be all perfect in a week of practicing, but eventually I'm going to come back to this video every now and then, and it'll all make sense in the long run.